So all 15 bolts have been loosened on the machine after a lot of trouble. The nuts, not too bad condition, but taking a bit of a beating because he's putting them on too tight. There's the blade, high speed steel, there's green. There's the block, bad condition. Probably wire wool that down, and then the inside is full of resin. So I guess I'll just clean them up, soak them. What else to think about really? I don't like those nuts. I want to change those because I won't want them to round off. Get a new set of those, slightly damaged, well, very slightly damaged, but with time they will go. Not sure what steel it is, it needs to be hard steel. But I wouldn't want to go through that again. Some idiots put them on way too tight. So anyway, I'll make sure that this block goes back in the same location. That needs cleaning out now, so let's see what you think to that.